Hello everyone, welcome to Coders Camp. So today we are going to cover word subset. So the input given here is two string arrays and we have to return another string array as output. So the problem statement says that a word B is a subset of a word A if every letter in B occurs in A, including multiplicity. So now say a word A from A is universal if for every B in B, B is a subset of A. Return the list of all universal words in A and you can return the words in any order. So let's understand this with an example. So here is our given example. The words in string A is said to be universal if it has all the characters of words given in the array B. So now let's start from the word LE, and considering Amazon has only O, but it needs to have one L and two E's more. So in that case, we cannot say Amazon is universal. Moving on to the second word Apple does have only E, the other characters are missing. So moving on to the third word Facebook does have E and O, but it doesn't have L and E. That is, it doesn't have L. So again, it will not be universal. Moving on to a fourth word, Google does have L, E, and O. So in this case, Google is considered to be universal. So we are adding that to our output. So last word is LeetCode. LeetCode does have L and E, also O and E. In this case, LeetCode is also universal. So we are adding that to our output. So how are we going to approach this? So here the given condition is all the characters in the given words in B should be present in the words in A. So if you consider the characters L, E and O, E, the total count of the character L is going to be 1, O is going to be 1 again, E is going to be 2. But it doesn't have to have two E's in every word because LE is one single word and OE is another single word. So it should have one L, one E and one O overall. So to do that, if we are counting or converting the characters of B into a single character array, it does have the count of L once, O once and E twice. So to avoid that, we are going to get the help of one more temporary array. So now let's have a temporary array temp which is going to save the characters of all words in B. So now the first word is LE, so it will have 1 for L and 1 for E. So now we have one more array T which is going to get the count of max of so far. I'll let you know why we are using this temporary array. First let's update it. So now O is 0, so we are updating 0, L is 1 and E is 1. So now for our next character OE, we are going to update OE as 1, 1 and L becomes 0. So now the T becomes max of these two arrays. So now it is going to become 1, 1 and 1 overall. So it does calculate we need to have 1 L, 1 E and 1 O overall. Because if we are counting temp with all the characters, then it will count E2 twice. So to avoid that, every time once we calculate the characters of the word, we are maintaining a temporary array to save the occurrence. So finally, it will give the output of overall how many characters we need to check in the given word. So once we found this temporary array, we are going to compare the count of the characters at this array with count of the words in string array A. So every time we are trying to match the characters, that is, we are going to match whether OLE is present once in every character. So whichever character group is matching, we are going to put that into our output array. So this is the overall concept how this code is going to work. So before entering into the code, this actually works in big O of A plus B. Here A is the overall characters and words present in the array A and B is the overall characters and words present in the array B. So let's go to the code now. So as I explained, I'm going to have an integer array T to have the count of characters in each word in B. So now let's iterate our words in array B. So now the temp array has the character count of the first word or each word in string array B. So this temporary array actually hold the character count we exactly needed to match with the words in string array A. So once we calculated this, we are going to compare this character count with each word in array A. So we have compared the character count with each word in string array A, and if it is universal then we are adding it to our result list. So let's spend some time in writing the method is universal. So here in this is universal method, we are going to convert the string into character count in the array temp. So this is the word given in the string array A. So this word can have more characters than in string T, but cannot have characters less than the array T. So we are going to compare if any character count is less than the calculated array T, then we are going to return false. Otherwise, return true. So yes, let's run. Let's submit. Yes, the solution is accepted. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe. Thank you.